So guys, the all-new 2025 Renault Kadjar has introduced the all-new Kadjar small SUV to the Australian market, featuring a global facelift price at 29,900. The Kadjar compete with a model like the Peugeot 3008 and Skoda Karoq, fitting between the Renault Compact Captur and the mid-size Koleos. So all Kadjar model in the Australia comes with a turbocharged 1.3 liter petrol 4-cylinder engine which is produce 177 kilowatt of power and 260 Nm of torque. This engine is paired with a 7-seat dual clutch automatic transmission and has a fuel consumption rate of 6.3 liter per 100 kilometers, and there are no diesel option for the Kadjar in Australia. And inside the Kadjar features a 7-inch touchscreen with the Renault updated R-Link infotainment system, which include wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The Australian Kadjar lineup offers 3 variants: Kadjar Life, Kadjar Jan and the Kadjar Intense, with a price ranging from $30,000 to $38,000. And the interior of the Kadjar is enhanced by the updated R-Link 2 system and the premium Bose audio system. The vehicle design follow Renault corporate style and by the C-shaped headlights, a prominent brand logo and the tri-color details. This updated design helps the Kadjar fill the mid-size gap in the Renault SUV lineup and make a strong impression in the growing SUV market segment. So the entry-level Kadjar Life price is 29,900, include standard feature like parking sensor, cruise control, emergency braking, 17 inches alloy wheels, reserve camera, etc. And the mid-size tire Kadjar Jan price is $32,919, which is add extra features such as the lane departure warning, keyless entry and start, and blind spot monitoring. A top of the range Kadjar Intense priced at $37,919, boost larger 19 inches alloy wheels, parking assist and fixed panoramic sunroof and full LED headlights and the fog lights, and all features of the Kadjar mid variant. So the Kadjar is now available in Australia, filling the important spot in the Renault SUV lineup, and with its competitive price, modern features and a stylish design, Kadjar aims to attract buyers looking for a capable and attractive small SUVs, and consumer explore their options in this category. Thank you guys for watching, and if you want more updated news, so please subscribe our YouTube channel.